You're done with O levels. But what to do next? Scrolling, I'm done with this. Let's ask from Shevo.
Why do I need Shevo when I have ChatGPT? Let's first scroll in ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT is saying. Hello, Shevo. Yeah, I got my results. How is yours? Good, right? Yeah. But the problem is I don't know what to do next. Yeah, everyone is telling me different things to do A levels, to do IT, to go abroad. Also, even a diploma is okay. That's what they say. Yeah, and I'm just confused. What?
Ayo, check with Vice Lanka.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
Sure, right? Okay, let me check.
Ever heard of Lanka? Or are you just as curious as I was? Let's see what Lanka is. So this is Lanka, a system built to help Sri Lankan learners understand what they can study next, which route suits their career goals, where funding may be available, and what practical next steps they should take. And also, this is local friendly. Well, there are three modes of input. You can either describe your profile as a student and you can fill the form easily, or else you can go with the option hybrid where you can describe and also fill the form. Okay, so I'm after my O levels. I have this problem what to do next. Let's see how Lanka helps me with this problem. I completed Cambridge O level and I want AI, software engineering or data related study options. My budget is medium. I prefer flexible study and I may need scholarship support. Let's analyze. Okay, here is the output. One valid pathway. Okay, the career demand matches software engineer. Yes, scholarships are available and they have provided me an adaptive roadmap. Let's see. Here is my student profile and these are the decision highlights. 12 years schooling is needed, then a foundation, and next I can go for a diploma or a degree. Okay, best funding is suggested as Australia Award Scholarship. Top institution. Sri Lanka Institute of Advanced Technological Education is suggested. Let's see the valid pathway. Okay, what are the scholarships I have? So many options have been given. Let's see if these links are working. Oh, I have come to this page where I can find all the details about the scholarship. Then the adaptive roadmap. Okay, consider foundation in computing, then bridge route for learners aiming at computing degrees. I think this is something important to me. And what are the other institutions I can find? University of Moratua, University of Vocational Technology, CINEC campus, and so on. Well, what are the evidence? Oh, this is a summary of the evidence I can. Demo story. This demo shows how Lanka supports a Cambridge O-level learner targeting software engineer. Same like me, right? And yes, finally it generates a next step action plan so that the learner knows what to do after this recommendation. This is useful for demos because one app can support local, international, academic, practical, funded, and alternative entry learner cases. That's why Wise Lanka is very useful and saves your time. Then why should I choose Wise Lanka over other options? Okay, it understands the learner. And also, it guides progression clearly. It shows what a learner can do after O level, A level, even after foundation, diploma, vocational routes, Pearson high style, higher study, even any kind of locally accepted program. Keeps recommendation clear and focused. I think you can now understand how it keeps recommendation career focused. Okay. It surfaces funding or scholarship signals when relevant, when the eligibility meets the criteria. Yes. All you need is in a single system. Will you agree with this statement? Yes. Best next study options are recommended. Easy to understand reasons for each recommendation, right? And it's affordable, flexible, or faster. Alternative routes are given. Affordable, flexible, fast alternative routes are given. Funding and scholarship support signals are also in the same system. Suitable institutions are also in the same system. And a clear roadmap showing what to do next is also in the same system, where it makes us help to take wise decisions as wise Sri Lankans. Okay, fast employment IT route. Let's see what it suggests. Let us analyze through Wise Lanka. Okay, here's the overview. Oh, this is the fastest option suggested by Wise Lanka. University of Vocational Technology, BTech in Quantity Survey. Vocational to degree. Then he or she can be a network administrator. What are the institutions? Okay, there are so many institutions. What if you are a working professional and you want to upgrade your skills? Do you think Wise Lanka can help you with that? Let's check. I am already working and want a flexible IT route that could improve my career without leaving work. Here, the user can either turn it on or off if they want. They can also disable or either select Gemini AI if they want. Now let's analyze. So these are the pathways and the options suggested. So as you can see on the screen, they have given a route of foreign and transnational degree, and also the recognition must be checked carefully, and also you can see the profile and the decision highlights, like they have only distinct one alternative and the funding methods, and the top institution is CINEC. So the adaptive roadmap. So they have given step by step what he must do in order to go into his goals. Then why Wise Lanka? As you can see on the screen, this is why we need Wise Lanka. What if the student has completed A level and want accounting or finance, and his budget is very low and he wants scholarship as well? And the option is simple language. Well, let's analyze through Wise Lanka and see. Okay, as you can see, after O levels, 12 years of schooling, a foundation, and next a diploma or degree is suggested. Okay, let's check with local A-level medicine student. I completed A-level in the biology stream and want medicine. I need a clear explanation of the strongest academic route, likely public options, and what I should do. Let's see what Vice Lanka is going to analyze and give us the output. Here's the output given by Vice Lanka. There are 38 valid pathways, and the career is to be a doctor. So after A level, she can go with foreign or transnational degree routes. And this is the student profile of her. An expected qualification route is a MBBS or a medical medicine pathway. Mahapola funding option is also available for her. So there are so many universities, programs, and institutions recommended for her here. So these are the alternative routes she can choose in order to do her programs related to medicine. And these are the scholarships available for her. So the adaptive roadmap is very clear. As you can see on the screen, there are 6 steps. And also there are so many institutions. Let's go to Uvalasa University and see what the link shows us. Well, we have come to the university link, and this is what the screen shows us. So as you saw before, there was this Gemini explanation here. This was an optional AI layer that gave more detail and friendly explanation. But even without that, this system still works fully using its structured rule-based intelligence. So, instead of confusion, I now have clarity. And this system is not just for one student. It supports many different learners like O-level students, A-level students, Pearson Foundation learners, Pearson HND students, working professionals, low-budget learners, and even fast employment seekers. Therefore, the core intelligence is built using a structured rule-based engine aligned with Sri Lankan education pathways in order to ensure accurate and reliable recommendation. So, why Lanka doesn't just give options, it gives direction. That's why we call this Why Lanka. Thank you.